CZUR Shine 800 Pro High-Speed Document Camera, Smart Document Scanner with OCR function for macOS and Windows. Design and speed, work with Windows XP, 7, 8, 10 and macOS 10.11 or later, macOS 10.13 or later recommended. Designed for A4, 8.27 *11.75 inch, document. CZUR ET16P Professional Book&Document Camera Scanner with 2nd Gen Laser Curve Flattening Tech. Perfect for bound documents and books, smart OCR for Mac and Windows. Patented flattening curve technology, ET16P shoots 3 laser lines, which are harmless, to analyze the contours of an open book or bound document, calculating the page curve of the materials, finally output a flattened page. CZUR ET18 Pro Professional Document Scanner, 2nd Gen Auto-Flatten and Disque Tech, 18MP Sony Camera, Capture A3, 186 languages OCR, convert to PDF/searchable PDF/Word/TIFF/Excel, run on Windows and macOS. Patented flattening curved book page technology. ET18 Pro applies CZUR's latest technology to flatten the 3D curved surface after pixel transformation to complete flattening of the book page. CZUR Shine Ultra Smart Document Scanner, Book Scanner with OCR Auto-Flatten and Disque, Capture Size A3, compatible with Windows and macOS. Design and speed, work with Windows XP, 7, 8, 10 and macOS 10.11 or later, macOS 10.13 or later recommended. Designed for A3 and A4, 11.69 *16.53 and 8.27 *11.75 inch, document, in Scanner bin phone scanner stand for photo and document scanning, adjustable with LED lighting, better than 1200 dpi, uses a document camera, invented and produced in the USA. Flatbed scanners simply cannot compete with your smartphone and a scanner bin. Improved resolution and color rendering compared to popular flatbed scanners. Compared to